Check this out, fellers. It's the woodburghini. Derrick from Vise Garage. We was in Cook, Vegas, and we decided we'd stop and check it out. God, that thing is rough. I cannot believe that he tried to drive this thing. I don't even think I could fit in it. It's like all bubbled up everywhere. Man. It's still cool though. There's his switch for his electric fans. Oh my God, this thing is so cool. It's funny. Or to message him like, what you want for this thing? My wife's making fun of me. It is cool though, don't get me wrong. But that's from Vise Garage. Woodburghini.